Axel, Senior Technical Analyst here at IG. Scalping, tell me what it's all about. What is scalping?
Well, Chris, it's very simple, really. It's for those people who like to trade in and out during a day, for example. They trade very, very short time frames, sort of a few seconds to a few minutes, maybe a few hours maximum.
And who would use a scalping strategy, Axel?
Basically, those who want the excitement of trading intraday, very quickly in and out, and who want to make lots of small profits and then hopefully accumulate a bigger profit. And it's not really for those people who want to invest longer term, such as, for your pension or anything like that.
And what kind of time frame should I be using for scalping strategies?
Well, most people probably use a minute chart. Some people go down to as low as sort of a 1 second or 10-second chart. Some people might use 3, 4, 5-minute charts. So it's probably in that sort of range. But I've seen people scalp with 15-minute, 30-minute charts, but probably not much longer than that.
And so this is a day trading strategy then?
It is, yes. So it's for those who want the volatility of a market to be high and for, placing lots of trades in and out, short and long.
What should I be looking for on my charts?
Well, if you want to scalp, obviously the odds are greater if you trade in the direction of the trend. So imagine when you trade on a 1-minute chart, you want it to align with the next longer time frame, such as a 5 or 10 or 15-minute chart. So I would do that, and I would look at candlesticks, for example. I would look at some oscillators to see whether you're trading in overbought or oversold territory, that sort of thing. And you could use stochastics, MACD, relative strength index, any of those.
So, Axel, how much money should I start with?
Well, it's always better to have more than less, but you could probably start with a few £100 or so. And ideally, a few thousand would be better, because if you do a lot of trading in and out during the day, obviously you're going to pay some spread, and you want to have enough money in your account available to your trading so that you can do in your 20 or 30 trades a day, for example.
And how much of your account balance should you risk on a scalping strategy, Axel?
Well, that's a really, really good one, Chris, isn't it? Because I keep on saying that basically you shouldn't risk more than 3% of your capital. Now, if you trade intraday, maybe you can push it to a sort of 5% area, or not really much more than that, because the problem is if you trade, for example, 10% of your trading size, let's say you've got £1,000 available to you and you're risking £100 per trade, scalping in and out, you're bound to get a series of wrong trades. And imagine you get 5 of them wrong in a row, you've lost half of your money. You need to make 100% just to get back to break even. You don't want to do that.
Brilliant. Thank you, Axel. I feel like I'm a scalping pro already.
I'm glad to hear it.